we flipped a lot, and with this plastic piece, the momentum just made it roll right back on its side. And
welcome to noprosrc.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have my Air Hogs that I've had for years, and it's just been sitting back in my man cave collecting dust. So back in the day, let's see, yeah, around 2011, they had these little RC devices called Air Hogs. They started off with cars, and then they had like little mini choppers, and then I believe they had some other things, but I was only interested in the remote control cars, and I bought 4 of them because it's 4 of us, and my idea was to build, because of their size, I could build like a little mini outdoor track, and we can all participate and race. And that went well for a while, and then one thing led to another, and they just got put up on the shelf, and then there they sat for years. Like, honestly, I didn't even dust them off. I'm bringing them to you guys as is, as you can see. I can't remember where I put the controllers, and they do need the chargers. So the one spinning back here, the orange and black with the white wheels, of course that was my car. I can't remember which one the wife drove. I believe the wife drove this blue one here with the chrome wheels. I'll show you that right there. And then I think my daughter had the red one, and I believe my son had this one, or vice versa. Anyway, you can tell that they have seen action. This was a long time ago. This is actually the dirt from the previous place we lived. And then after that, I just packed them up, and once we got to our new residence, I unpacked them, and they just been basically trophy displays, or they just sat there. I have to find where I put the controllers, but I'm thinking, if I'm not mistaken, the controllers, you use those to charge up the cars, because if you see right here, well, I don't know if you can see past this, but I'll try to point it out, but right here on top, that's where you charge it. And what was neat about these is if they rolled over, and they were especially fun in the house, they have a different set of tires. Like these tires right here, they're like foam. I'm surprised they're still intact. I don't even know if you can buy tires for these anymore, but it came with 2 sets of tires. The ones that you see here, that was basically for outdoors, and then they had an indoor set, which I think were okay, yeah, these right here, like for, you can run it on the road, table, floor, things of that nature. And this one was more for out, in dirt and things of that nature. So yeah, they were absolute blast. And if they turned over, as I'm gonna try to demonstrate, but it's kind of hard with no power to them. But what was cool about it, if your vehicle rolled over, this little plastic piece here, the purpose behind it was that, just like that, it would flip back on its side, and you can just keep going. And that was awesome, because we flipped a lot, and with this plastic piece, the momentum just made it roll right back on its side, and we just kept racing, and it was awesome. And that was one thing that I liked about them, because in RC world, you're flipping a lot. So Air Hogs came up with this brilliant idea to put these things on here, and if you rolled over, you like so, it would just roll right back on its side, and it was awesome. So yeah, if you have these Air Hogs, leave a comment below. Let me know how you like it. Does yours still run? And if do you have any other Air Hog products, let us know down in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. We drop videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Yeah, don't forget to click that like button if you like this. I might click it myself because, hey, this is a part of my collection and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna bring you guys more stuff that I have. Some stuff I still have in the box that I haven't even opened yet. It's ridiculous. And until the next video, y'all be easy. Thanks for taking your valuable time to watch this video. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.